In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore deleted apps to the home screen on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you maybe just can't find an app on your iPhone and you have no idea where it is and you don't remember uninstalling it. Well, it's a very simple method to go ahead and find it. So for this example, we're going to be using YouTube, which obviously in my instance is right here. But if it's not here, all I want to do is the first thing, the easiest thing in my opinion, is swiping down in the middle of your screen. It's going to bring up search, and then from here all you want to do is just search up the application that you're looking for, and then from there you can literally just like move it to wherever you want. Obviously I already have it here, so I'm not going to do it again, so I can just remove it. But you can do that if you want to, and you just bring it back to the home screen, simple as that. But if you don't want to do that, there is actually another method as well. So all you want to do is swipe all the way to the right. It's going to bring up your app library. From here, it's going to have different things in different categories like social, productivity and finance, utilities, entertainment, etc., etc. And then from there, all you want to do is go to the very top where the search bar is, just search up whatever you want. And also your apps are going to be shown in automatic alphabetical order, so you don't have to change anything, but everything's going to be right there. So you can even scroll down if you want to as well. But we're just going to search up YouTube. And like I said, it's right here. So then I can just long press on it, drag it for a second, and then I can move it to wherever I want, to whatever page I want to as well.